Welcome to my channel ASP.NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore different ways to insert data into a database using SQL. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, this video will help you understand insert commands better. Let us begin. This is the basic syntax of insert. You specify the table name, column names, and the values to be inserted. You can insert multiple records in a single query by using multiple sets of values separated by commas. This query copies data from another table, temp employees, into the employees table, filtering only IT department employees. If a column has a default value or allows null, you can skip specifying it in the insert statement. Stored procedures allow us to encapsulate the insert logic, making it reusable and more secure. This executes our stored procedure and adds a new employee. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when using insert in SQL. We covered multiple ways to use insert efficiently. Try these queries and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.